President Macron was reportedly around 15 when he met Brigitte, a teacher at his private school in Amiens. Bizarre footage has emerged of French President Emmanuel Macron appearing to be pushed in the face by his wife Brigitte while the couple were squabbling as they arrived in Vietnam for a tour in Southeast Asia. The couple were preparing to disembark from the presidential plane at Hanoi Airport when Brigitte's hand is seen pushing the president's face away, before he notices Mr. Macron, 47, then awkwardly smiles and waves to the press waiting outside, and he and Ms. Macron, 72, descend the stairs together, but not arm in arm as they often are. According to French media, the Élysée Palace initially denied the authenticity of images, which were captured on an Associated Press live feed, before later verifying they were real. However, an anonymous official close to the French leader insisted the pair, who have been married almost 20 years, were speaking to the Le Figaro newspaper. They said, "It was a moment when the president and his wife were relaxing one last time before the start of the trip by having a laugh." Mr. Macron later told reporters, "We are horsing around and, really, joking with my wife," suggesting that too much had been made of it. It becomes a sort of geoplanetary catastrophe. President Macron was reportedly around 15 when he met Brigitte, a teacher at his private school in Amiens. Brigitte, more than 25 years his senior, was then a married mother of 3 with a daughter the same age. In an interview with Elle France in 2017, Brigitte opened up about the bond they developed while working on a play together at a school in Amiens. Brigitte told the magazine, "In that theater workshop we wrote plays together. Our relationship was one of artistic equality. It was when we worked on the Eduardo de Filippo play, The Art of Comedy, we wrote together on Friday nights, and by Saturday, I couldn't wait for Friday to come around. I didn't understand why. It seemed insane."
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.